guys on this Saturday morning. Yes, it's Saturday. I survived Beer Friday just fine. So what I do here on Saturday at Old Time Garage, well, I'll show you. We bring in more cars. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. And we're going to go into the shop to show you a thing or two. Maybe I'm still drunk over last night. Maybe not. Anyway, so we have a young lady who's building herself. And when I say young, she's like 16, I believe. I could be wrong. Alicia, if you're out there watching, I'm sorry if I got your age wrong. But she is building herself this little 72 Volkswagen. Look at this thing. Absolutely mint little wagon. She's going to go back to factory original orange. Look at the fancy wheels on it. Holy God, disc brakes. Jeez. I never had a car like this when I was 16. What the hell's going on? My God. I mean, look at it. It's absolutely mint. Obviously, looks like they've done some floor pan work. You know, now on these cars, for those that don't know, the quarter panels unbolt. Obviously, you take the doors off. So we're going to take this car and take it all apart. We're going to take the quarters off. We're going to take the doors off. We're going to take the rear deck lid off. We're going to take everything off it. Sander all down. Sean's going to work his magic. Prime it, block it, paint it. And then they're going to put it together. It's going to be beautiful when it's done. These are cool little cars. You know, it's so funny as you're growing up, your whole life you're growing up and you're either dedicated to domestics or imports, or you're a Chevy guy or a Ford guy or a Dodge guy. But as you get older and things get harder to find, your mind opens up about other things out there, if you know what I'm saying. And this is really a cool little ride. I mean, that's just, I would have no problem cruising around in it. None. Look at that, everything's new underneath. My God, they spent a lot of time here. I don't know how long she's been on this working on it, but good for her. Good for her. And a standard, which they all were pretty much, but still, that's cool. So we got our samples here today. And anyway, this one is wrong. You can already see through the pack. Look at that with the sun on it. It looks like a yellowy color. And this is, whoops, this is the right one. Looks more orange. That's it right there. So that's what we're going to go. Actually, I'll take those and make those disappear, or somebody will play with them and they'll lose them. But that's it. So that is what we are doing on Saturday morning here at OTG. We're bringing in the jobs. We're rolling them in left, right, and center. So we're going to help this young lady out. We're going to give her a beautiful job on this car, make it look pretty for her first car, and she's going to be the talk of the town. So hey, remember, it's always good time and old time. I got to get the hell out of here now. I got to get in the house, get myself some Advil, some aspirin, or whatever else I need, and that's it. Okay, guys, big thumbs up, and see you later.